Welcome back, Focus Fam, and today we're going to be making some Mexican street corn. Easy recipe, not even going to talk a lot. We're just going to get into this and focus in on this recipe. So we're going to go down. We got some corn. Look at this corn right here, man. This looks absolutely delicious. Fresh corn, $5 for $1, man. What can you find for $1 in this time with these gas prices, right? So let's get to this corn. I'm not really going to do much to it, but square it off right. Just like that. And then we got the rest of them that we got. So I'm gonna do 5 of these and then we're just gonna square them up.
Once you got your corn squared up, you're gonna use a wooden skewer. Soak these for a little bit because you're gonna place them on the grill and you don't want these to burn. But look at that corn right there. It looks absolutely delicious. Now we got some melted butter and we're gonna baste these bad boys.
All right, Focus Fam, we got this corn prepped, so we're gonna get this on that pellet grill. Like I said, we got this pellet grill heated up 400 degrees. Now let me tell you this. Now you can do this in the kitchen, right, in your oven, or in a grill. In particular, it doesn't really have to be a pellet grill. So let me put that out there for all my recipes, right? So you can always follow along. Now you might not get the smoke flavor, which you can use other things to get those, smoke flavor, like smoked salt, right? And you can use liquid smoke, but some people don't like it. But whatever, we're cooking corn today, right? So let's go ahead and get this in the grill.
You want your grill to be at 400 degrees, so we're gonna pop these corns in the grill and we're gonna let these roll. So halfway through the process, you want to rotate this corn so you can get some even cooking.
All right, there we go. Now we're gonna let it cook the rest of the way. All right, fam, so here's a pro tip. I know a lot of people like times, right? So I'm gonna tell you this. Cook to temperature or tenderness. Don't necessarily cook to time. So times are just suggestions. Temperature and tenderness is what you go for because everything depends, right? It depends on your climate, grill, oven. So cook with temperature and tenderness and you'll be in the game. So let's get these corn out of this grill.
All right, look at that corn right there. That looks absolutely fantastic. So we're gonna go ahead and get these bad boys prepped. So let's go ahead and get this lime sliced up.
You put the lime with the coconut and I don't know what else, right? But you put the lime with the coconut, I know that though.
Fam, if you can relate, y'all be making up some lyrics too, I know. But let's look at this, right? Yeah, I was making up some lyrics there. So let me stick to what I know and what I'm good at. So let's focus on cooking.
So fam, you gotta have that lime, right? So we're gonna take this lime and we're gonna put this in the mayo, right? And this is no right or wrong way, so you can put this on, the corn, but I'm just gonna put it in the mayo so you already have that lime juice and, that mayo all in one, so you don't even have to worry about it, right? You got those citrus notes and then you got that mayo, right? Key ingredient. So we got this delicious sweet corn, as you see right here, and then this is what we wanna do with it. So we wanna hit it with some butter again, some melted butter, and then you just gonna brush that on like so, okay? You got your mayo, and then now we just gonna brush this on. And then this is where the magic starts. What type of cheese to use on the street corn versus where it's at right here. Now you can find this at your local grocer. I got this at Walmart right here. And then here's the magic right here. Sprinkle it with that cheese, right? We got some chili powder, and then we just gonna, oh yeah. And then if you're a spicy enthusiast like me, you gotta get that Tapatio, right? And then there you have it right there. You got your Mexican street corn, look at that.
All right, let's hit some slow-mo.
All right, fam, so there you have it. You got your Mexican street corn. And you already know what we gotta do. We gotta get this bad boy taste test. So here we go. Look at that. Cheers, folks. Now, that's absolutely amazing. Now, you wouldn't think just corn, mayo, chili powder, a little lime sauce will be absolutely delicious. But fam, if you've never tried this before, this is absolutely delicious. And I'm gonna take another bite of this. Look, mouth all messed up. Oh, this is delicious. Now, if you new to this channel, smash that subscribe button, and if you love this content, help a brother out, get me in that YouTube algorithm, and hit that like button, right? So now for the people, the Focus fam that's been rolling with me for a while, hey, I appreciate you. And again, this channel right here is a channel to get you in the game, boost your confidence, so you can get on that grill, get in that kitchen, and make these delicious meals. And we'll see you guys later.